So welcome back traders to another exciting live stream. As you know, we are just observing the charts right now. We are not doing much. We haven't taken a trade. We are just observing our charts, and that's what you need to be doing. You must identify if there's volume in the markets for you to trade, or if there is a good opportunity for you to take a trade. You don't just come to your charts and just take a buy or a sell. If you really want to be profitable for the long time, you should avoid doing that. You need to plot out your charts, plan your trades, and wait for it to play out. So that's all we are doing. We are just looking for a good opportunity to sell the market. So on gold, as you can see, we have identified this as the high. This is where price has been to twice, and the price was rejected, and price turned bearish when price got to this level. See, this was the first scenario here. Nearly after the bullish candle, it was bearish and it left a wick, and the same thing happened here. Look at this bullish candle close, and this is not just any bullish candle, this is a 4-hour candle, and immediately price turned bearish. Identify this as a strong strong resistance area in the market. So this is a strong resistance area. So that was why we plot out that level. So all we are doing now is waiting for price to get back to the level to see if we can get a good trade. Remember, your high probability trades are going to always come at key levels. If identify, the next step is to wait for price to get to that level. So that's all we are doing. We are waiting. So if our plan plays out, we'll take the trades when price gets to that level, when given the evidence. So we are waiting now. We are not doing anything. We are just observing how price is moving. Just waiting for price to get back to level. So remember, if you have any question, you can check out the video description. There's a WhatsApp link. I use the WhatsApp link because I can respond to you as soon as possible, or you can use the Telegram link. And we have our Telegram trading community if you want to join. We drop signals on gold and other currency pairs, not daily. If you want the daily signal, you need to pay for the membership fee. You need a VIP. We have a VIP group, signal group, but that's based on membership. But the free Telegram group, we drop signals occasionally and educational content. So if you want to be part of that, you can chat me up using my WhatsApp link in the video description. I can add you to the group. So the analysis that's the analysis for gold, and thank you guys for the likes. As I always said, just joining us, you can like the stream, subscribe to the channel so that I get notified whenever we're having this live stream. We share with you tips on how to scale your personal account and and pass your profit challenges. I said you should text me Okay, yeah, the signal on gold, someone just text me on WhatsApp. Let me clarify that. The signal on gold is sell. Signal on gold is sell when price get to the level. But one thing I always say is you shouldn't be the first to take a sell when price get to the level. Don't be the first to take the sell. That's not how we trade. If you want to be profitable, you shouldn't be trading like that. Let's wait for price to get to that level first, and when price gets to that level, then we can scale down to our 15 minutes, which is our entry time frame, to see what's happening there, the behavior and the reaction of the candle. If the area is rejecting, or if the sellers are if the sellers are jumping back into the market. But the rule of thumb, we are looking for sales, quite alright. But wait, when price get to the level, you shouldn't be the first to sell the market. After price get there, we need to still scale down to see if that level is going to be respected through multiple week rejection. You can use the 5 minutes to get earlier signs, but I personally use the 15 minutes to get more data. So once price gets here, I will immediately scale down to my 15 minutes to start seeing the reaction of candle around that area. If you can get 2 week rejection candle rejecting the area, we all know what rejection candles is. Something like this, a rejection, a week, it leaves a week rejection, maybe 2 week rejection, 2 week rejections. That's the only time you can sell the market. And another way you can sell it when price get to that level. Remember, one price to get into some of this level. If price start getting to that level and you want to sell the market, then you should consider using a sell stop order. Use a sell stop order. And using the sell stop order, you can place your sell stop slightly below the level, somewhere here, somewhere below the candle, so that the only time you get triggered into the trade is when price start reversing and pushing down. So that's another way you can enter this, using a sell stop. When price start get to the level, you can use a sell stop. That's another entry. I don't know how you enter into the market, but I'm here to share with you tips. I've been trading for a while now, so I know what I'm saying. Before I got to this level, I usually take those sales immediately when price gets here. And even though price will reverse and continue down, but I usually get stopped out easily, because it's a level. So price is going to like create a reaction before it can finally going to fight at that level. There's going to be a fight before the sellers will win, and they will push the price down. You might get a week like this. It's a smaller week, or you might get a more longer week. And this week, this is something that can stop you out. That's why you shouldn't be the first to enter. You should wait for that week to form, to reject the area. And when the candle start turning bearish, when they create that week and start turning bearish, that's the only time you can sell the market, because that's our evidence and our confirmation. Hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. If you are still not clear, you can chat me up and I'll clarify it. We have a lot of viewers but few likes. If you're on the live stream, I need this live stream to get to 20 likes. You guys are the reason why I keep doing this. I don't have to do this. I keep doing these streams because I've gotten testimony from you guys, some of you guys on Telegram, on what you are learning and the signals I drop for you guys, and that is the reason why I keep doing this. So if you're on the live stream, it takes you a second, but it does a lot more for the channel, and it helps us push the content to more people. It shows me that you guys are gaining value from these streams, and that's what's going to keep me doing it, because I have a lot busy day with my community and my VIP group. I just have to create time for you for these live streams. So as I say, if you're on the live stream, you should like the stream, subscribe if you're a new viewer, so that you get notified whenever we're having this live stream. It takes you a second, but it does a lot more for the channel. Okay, so price is now pushing up. I'm just waiting for price to get to that level. Waiting for price to get to this level for us to look for a selling opportunity. We'll be looking for selling opportunity when price gets in. So we're patient. As we wait, let me do a quick recap, a quick analysis for the pound JPY. So the pound JPY, from the look of things, price is not clearly, I won't say price is, we'll consider it this sideways moving market. So for the pound JPY, this is a sideways moving market. Price is stopping, the lows, highs coming down. It's not breaking above or below. So this is a sideways moving market. Remember, this is a 4-hour time frame. So if you are not in a trade already, you should avoid taking any buys or sell at this level, because your probability of winning is very low, because price is in the middle of nowhere. Even though we anticipate price to come back and tap the lows before it can reverse, the chances are very low. Price might decide to come back to the level to create a double top or to retest this area before it can continue down. So you should avoid taking any buys or sells at this area. Avoid taking any buy or sell at this area. I keep stressing that fact. I know you guys are very eager to pass your challenges, to scale up your account, and you just feel a need to trade every time or every day. But as you notice, if you have been following our stream, most of my streams I don't take any trade. Sometimes I just open the charts, make the analysis, and just observe what the market is doing. Unless I can identify good trades or a high probability trade, that is the only time I take a trade. But don't be eager to trade every time or every day. Not every time you open your chart, your MT5, your MT4 platform, your trading view platform, not every time you open your charts you should trade. It's okay to just sit on your charts and watch what the market is doing. As we are doing now, we have a plan on gold. If the plan plays out, we'll look for our sells and take the sell. If we win, we are laughing all the way to the bank. But if we lose the trade, that's trading, we walk away. We only lose 1% on the account. But if we win, we get 3%. So that's how we trade. We already have set up the loss mentally, so we try to be more logical. And that's another point. Before you take a trade, imagine yourself losing that trade. Ask yourself, how will I feel if I take this trade and lose? Then accept that trade mentally. I'm not saying you should be pessimistic, but once you have accepted your loss, you won't get very emotional when you're on your charts or you're about to take a trade. Because what I observe is we can identify a good opportunity, a good trade, but because of fear of that loss, we feel we don't want to lose that trade. We keep waiting for the perfect opportunity or don't take the trade at all, and finally we see the price going exactly in our direction. So you want to avoid doing that. Always execute as long as is according to your trading plan and in the direction of the market. You should always execute regardless of the fear you feel at that moment. Remember, fear is false expectation appearing real. You should accept the fear, but shouldn't let it stop you from taking the trade. That's just the difference. We all feel fear. We all don't. No one loves losing, especially money. We take the trades regardless of our fear because we have more faith and belief in our system. And what's our system? Our system is our trading plan. We know the percentage we are risking on each trade. We know our lot sizing. We know our we know our risk management and risk to reward, and the pattern we are taking, either a retest, a breakout, double top, double bottom. We have taken those trades or those patterns a lot of the time, many times, that we are confident that when we take that trade, there's a high probability we are going to win that trade. That's why we keep executing. And in the long run, if you stick to your trading plan, it's impossible not to make money in Forex. That's just the truth. If you stick to your trading plan and you have a very good risk management, it's impossible to remove success from trading. That's just the truth. That's just the fact. Just stick to the basic and you see the difference. So price is almost at the level. Remember, we want price to push deep into the level, something like this from the left, or this price push deep into the level. You don't want to be selling now. Wait for price to still push a little bit deep into the level before we can scale down to our 15 minutes or 5 minutes. I don't know your entry time frame, to see if we can get a selling opportunity. So we are still waiting. Thank you guys for the likes. The likes is going up. I say I want these likes to get to 20. I will really be grateful. I need this like to get to 20. I started this if you have been following me on my stream, if you observe that I have more than 3 streams in a day, live stream in a day. And the reason for that is a lot of traders complain to me on Telegram and WhatsApp about the times in which they trade. You know, we all live in different time zones. So when we are trading the pre-London on the New York session for an hour each, some traders complain about not having the opportunity to trade with us live. So I have to add more session, and that is what I did. So I have more than 3 sessions in a day. I trade for an hour or more on each of the sessions so that we can reach out to more traders. So that's the goal. We want to share our knowledge, because one thing I'll tell you guys, I know all of us want freedom, want financial freedom, but if you are not just pretending, or if you are just looking for a side cash, you are not really invested in Forex. Let me tell you something. In Forex, just focus on the knowledge, focus on the education. Once you understand the basics, fundamentals of trading, if you understand how the market moves, how the patterns form, or how the strategy works, that's all you need. Wherever you are in the world, if you have your phone with you, you can start your business on your phone, which is through trading. Just your phone. So that's just the beauty of trading. You can still travel the world and be trading on your phone, making your your cash, quitting your 9 to 5 jobs. That's the freedom that comes with trading. Just imagine for a second sitting in your trading floor at home with your desktop, your MacBook, trading for an hour or two each day, and just having the rest of the day to spend with your loved ones, or going after your passions. I don't know what they are. That's the freedom. So what I want you guys to do is, if you are trading a smaller account, a more smaller account, don't really be focused on your rewards now. If you are trading $100, $200, don't be really focused on the money. I know we are here to make money, but focus on learning. Learn first. There's a lot to be learned through personal experience, and you can also learn from others, but you need both to get an overall feel of the market. So that's why I I uh, I feel very sad, or I find it very interesting when all those forex gurus tell you you can learn forex in a week, or become a millionaire in a week through forex. It's possible, but that's a gambling mindset. If you see what most of them do, you will know that it's gambling mindset. They stack up big position with big lot sizes. Most of their trades don't have a stop loss, so they're just gambling their way. You don't want that mindset. You need experience. You need to take hundreds of trades to really understand what works and what doesn't. So that's where you get experience. You don't get those experience in a week. You can understand the basic fundamentals, but you don't get that experience in a week. You need to really actually execute hundreds of trades. And I'm not just saying the demo account, real cash, even though it's a small account, $150, but use real cash, because that's when you with demo account there's still emotion, but it's a little bit detached. You are not really attached to your trade, like when you are having a real capital. So if you have a few bucks, you can start with that, deposit it into your MT4 or MT5 account, and use the micro lot size, the 0.01 lot size. Use that to trade. Don't use more than 0.01 on your small account, because you are not there to make money. All I'm saying, you need experience, you need to understand how the market moves. So you are not just there to um, scale up your 50 or $100 account into 1,000 in a day. You are there to learn. Focus on learning. I keep stressing the facts. But this is the mistake we keep missing. Keep focusing on the money first. If you have the knowledge, it's impossible not to gain your financial freedom with Forex. And one thing with knowledge is, once you have it, no one can take it away from you. It's there. You can only add to the knowledge, maybe through mentors or reading books, but no one can take what you know. So focus on the knowledge, gain the knowledge first before the money. The money will surely come. Get the experience. So let's go back to our charts. As we're having a pep talk. Hope you guys are gaining, understanding the mindset behind professional traders and trading. So that's why I keep sometimes digress and keep talking. And I keep using this analogy. So you have 100 or 200k, not a challenge account but a personal account. 100k, let's use 100. You have $100,000 personal trading account. My question for you guys is, are you going to trade every day? Or how many trades do you think you are going to be taking each day? Imagine you are risking 1% of that 100k account. That's $1,000. Imagine on Monday you risk 1% and you make 3%. That's $3,000 in a day. Are you still going to trade for that week to make $3,000 a day? So that's the mindset. Professional traders, that's why they focus on high probability trade. They focus on high probability trade because they don't have to trade. That's the truth. Unless maybe they're having a live stream for you guys. That's why they feel the need to show you how it's done live. But most of them don't have to trade every day or every time. Some of them trade once a week or twice a week. So because they don't feel the need to trade, only when they come to your chart, if they feel this is a good opportunity and is in accordance with their trading plan, they take the trade. But a low probability trade, they just close their chart and walk away and continue with their day, because they don't have a time limit or a profit target to meet. That's a personal account. So that's the mindset I want you guys to have. Once you get to that level, you understand that you don't have to trade every day. You just need 1 or 2 good trades per week, and that's all. Imagine you cut those 1 to 3 every week. You only trade one day in a week. That's let's say you made a 1 to 3 each. That's 16%, $16,000 in a month. most of us trading, just generalizing, we can we can happily live with $16 a month. I know most of us can. I know most of us can earn that amount in a month trading. So imagine $16,000 in a month. It's a big amount. You can pay your bills. At least you live good. So that's the mindset I use. That's what trying. I'm trying to tell you guys. Focus on the knowledge first, and the success will come later. So price is getting to that area, but we still want price to push a little bit deep, something like this. Let me scale down to our anti-time frame. So don't take the buy yet. I think there's a slight pullback. Price is still going to push up. Let's wait and see. These are safety measures. It's part of our trading plan. Don't want to be jumping into a buy or a sell at key levels. Being the second or third is okay. As long as we are all making money, that's fine. We don't want to be the first. When it comes to forex trading, you don't want to be the first to take a sell or a buy at key levels. To save you a lot of losing trade. That one tip I'm just sharing with you guys. So if you're just joining us, you should like the stream. It takes you a second to do that, but it does a lot more for the channel. If you haven't subscribed, keep saying subscribe so that I get notified whenever we're having the streams. There's a lot to be learned. Share tips with you guys, and we have these live streams every day. We have 3 to 4 streams, trade for an hour each every day. So we are going to be having these live streams tomorrow, 4 live streams for the day. Just stretching it out for you guys. I want to reach out to more people based on different time zones. So hoping everyone will benefit from this. So let's see. I'm gonna do this. Okay, traders, price is close to our level. If you haven't taken the sell yet, as I said, I'm waiting for price to push a little bit deep to some of this area like this, push deep like this or this. So as you can see, price is not really at that level yet, but it's close. It's close to that level. Remember, if you have a plan, stick to that plan. If you plan a trade, wait for your trade to play out. Don't go against your plan. So that's what I'm part of my trading plan. If I plan a trade, if the trade play out, I take the trade. If it doesn't, I walk away. That's just as simple as it is. It's a binary choice. If the trade plays out, I take it. If it doesn't, I stay out. So we are almost at the level, and 9 minutes before this candle close, this 1 hour candle close. That's another opportunity. We want to see how the candle will close. The candle is going to close strong. Candle is going to sorry, let me use this other. So 8 minutes before the candle close, we want to see if this 1 hour candle is going to close strong above the level, or is going to leave a weak rejection and close below the level here. If the candle close strong above, that level has been violated and no more sales. So we'll be looking for buys. But if the candle close below the level or leaves a wick, that's a good sign that sellers are sitting around that area. So we'll just wait for this 1 hour candle to close, and let's see what happens. Let's wait for that candle to close. Now all we are doing is looking for more evidence and confirmations to take that trade. It's not about, I know sometimes there's a gut feeling, but I just have to be adding more confluence and getting more evidence. So 7 minutes before the candle close, wait for that. If you're just joining us on the stream, you're a new viewer, should like the stream, subscribe to the channel. There's a lot to be learned. We have these live streams daily. You want to be getting notified whenever we are having the live stream. So subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It takes you a second, but it does a lot more for the channel. So let's see. So we are currently at the tower level, 6 minutes before the candle close. Feel like selling the market now. But I want to see if price is going to hold that level. Let me check the 15 minutes. Because I don't want to sell the market now, and 6 minutes before the 1 hour candle close, price push up and close above the level. Want price to respect this level and trade below it. That's when we'll look for sales. So I'm just waiting for that 1 hour candle, for this 1 hour candle to close. The 1 hour candle close below, we are good for sales. But if it breaks above, we'll only be focusing on buys. So that's all I'm waiting for. That's what's holding me. So 5 minutes before this candle close. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I know we can still identify this as a double top pattern. It's a double top. There's the first top, the second top is about to be formed. We will need more evidence. Don't want to be impulsive. 5 minutes before the candle close. 4 minutes before the candle close. I'm just waiting for this 1 hour to 1 hour candle to close to see if price is going to hold this level or break and close above it. So that's all we are waiting for. This 1 hour candle close below the level, and I'll be setting my sell stop order. That's the rule of thumb. If it closes, I'll use the sell stop order to be on the safer side, to only get triggering when the momentum kick in and start pushing down. So that's what I'll be doing. I'm not selling immediately. I'm just patient. And I keep saying this, you always have a lot of viewers, fewer likes. Don't know what's happening. You need to encourage me to keep doing these streams. If you are gaining value, then I think you should take a second to like the stream, so that I will know that you guys are learning, and that's that's the sign I will see, and I will keep doing these streams. So 3 minutes before the candle close. You know, this moment is very intense, especially a moment before you take a trade. It's very tricky and emotion runs high. So it's the same for everyone. No one is an exception. Before you take a trade, you have a rush of emotion. Your heart rate start beating more faster. So it's normal. We all experience that. So 2 minutes before this candle close, 2 minutes before the 1 hour candle close, all we are waiting for is a candle to close for us to take a trade. The reason being, we don't know if price is going to break above and close. If the candle close below the level, there's no doubt I'm setting my sell stop order. So 1 minute before the candle close. One minute before this candle close and a new candle opens. All we are waiting for is for this candle to close, for us to look for a trading opportunity for sales. And there you have it. The candle close. The new candle is opening. Let me scale down and see what's really happening there. So this is what I expected. So I'm going to be setting my sell stop order around this level. Let me give price a little bit breathing space. 2522. Remember, you don't need to be the first in the market. Being second or third is okay. 2522. I'm using a sell stop. Take note of that, because I want to be entering the market when the momentum kicks in, the price start pushing down in my direction. That's the beauty of a sell stop order. There you have it. Our sell stop order is in place. So the only time we get trigger in is when price push and taps us into the level. It's not the holy grail of trading. Sometimes price tap you, trigger you in, and turn back and continue up. It happens. But if you take 10 of these trades, you are going to win 6 to 7 of them. If you take trade like this, there's no how you're not going to be profitable in Forex. Take trades like this using a sell stop. I've taken hundreds of trades using the sell stop, so I'm speaking to you out of experience. So as you can see, we're in a safe position now. If price continue up, guess what? We are not in the market. We have not been triggering, as you can see. We have not been triggering to the sell. We give price a lot of breathing space. So if price continue up, we lose the trade. No, we will not lose the trade. I can only delete the order and look for another trading opportunity. But if imagine you took an instant sell, price is now turning bullish, you'll be in a pickle right now. So that's the beauty of a sell stop and the buy stop. Try using it in your trades and see the difference. If it is something that works for you, you start using it, adding to your trading plan. And as you notice, I haven't set our stop loss yet. So I want to be having 3 pip stop loss, because that's what I can afford to risk on gold. No, for gold it has high spreads and high liquidity, so I don't want to be risking too much on gold. So I will be having a 3 pip stop loss, because guess what, if price is truly going to continue down after triggering us into the trade, there's no point to turn back and push up. So that's the logic behind the stop. My stop loss should be above the key, but since I'm using a sell stop, I'm going to be entering with momentum. I'm going to be entering when the momentum kicks in and price start pushing strongly down. So I don't have to worry about the stop loss here. So that's it. That's how I set it. So I don't know if you are in a sell already or if you are taking a trade, but this is how I will approach this. As I told you guys, this is how you need to be taking your trades. Don't be the first don't be the first to take trade at key levels. Don't be the first. So that's it.